The steam engine did not just power machines, it reshaped the world, sparked revolutions, and laid the foundation for modern life. How did a simple invention become the heartbeat of industrialization? Let's dive into its incredible story. Welcome to Objectified, where everyday objects reveal extraordinary histories. Today, we explore the steam engine, a machine that transformed economies, societies, and the way humans live. From factories to railways, this invention fueled the Industrial Revolution and changed the course of history. We will uncover its origins, its evolution, its cultural impact, and some surprising facts that will make you see steam engines in a new light. Stick around to discover how this mechanical marvel still influences our world today. The story of the steam engine begins long before the Industrial Revolution. In the 1st century AD, a Greek engineer named Hero of Alexandria created the Elopio, a device that used steam to spin a metal sphere. While it was more of a curiosity than a practical tool, it showed the potential of steam power. Fast forward to the late 17th century, when the need for better mining technology drove innovation. Mines were flooding, and pumping water out was a massive challenge. In 1698, Thomas Savery patented the first practical steam-powered pump, designed to remove water from mines. It was a crude machine, inefficient and prone to explosions, but it marked a turning point. Then, in 1712, Thomas Newcomen built a more reliable steam engine, using atmospheric pressure to drive a piston. Newcomen's engine was a game-changer for mining, but still consumed huge amounts of coal and was too bulky for widespread use. These early machines set the stage for the steam engine's rise, but the real revolution was yet to come. Enter James Watt, the name most associated with steam engines. In the 1760s, Watt took Newcomen's design and transformed it. His key innovation was the separate condenser, which dramatically improved efficiency by preventing heat loss. Watt's engine, patented in 1769, could power machinery in factories, not just pumps in mines. This was a pivotal moment suddenly. Industries like textiles, iron, and manufacturing could mechanize on a massive scale. By the 1780s, Watt and his business partner Matthew Boulton were producing engines that powered cotton mills, ironworks, and even early steamships. The steam engine's versatility led to its adoption across industries. In the early 19th century, steam locomotives emerged, with George Stephenson's rocket in 1829 revolutionizing transportation. Railways connected cities, shrank distances, and boosted trade. Steamships followed, enabling global commerce on an unprecedented scale. These innovations didn't just improve technology, they reshaped economies, urbanized societies, and laid the groundwork for the modern world. The steam engine was more than a technological breakthrough. It was a cultural force. It symbolized human ingenuity and the triumph of science over nature. Factories powered by steam engines created new jobs, drawing millions from rural areas to cities. This urbanization changed social structures, giving rise to the working class and new labor movements. Literature and art of the time reflected this shift. Think of Charles Dickens' novels, which captured the gritty realities of industrial life, or J.M.W. Turner's paintings, with their smoky, steam-filled landscapes. The steam engine also sparked debates about progress. While it brought wealth and opportunity, it also led to harsh working conditions, pollution, and inequality. Its legacy is complex. It drove prosperity, but also highlighted the costs of rapid industrialization. Even today, the steam engine remains a symbol of innovation and its double-edged impact on society. Here are some surprising facts about steam engines that might blow your mind. Did you know the first steam-powered vehicle was built in 1769 by Nicolas Joseph Cugnot? His steam carriage was designed for the French army, but was so slow and unstable. It crashed into a wall. History's first recorded car accident. Another fun fact, steam engines were so vital to Britain's economy that coal consumption skyrocketed, with some estimates suggesting the country burned 100 million tons of coal annually by the mid-19th century. Ever heard of the steam donkey? It was a portable steam engine used in logging, capable of hauling massive logs through forests. And here's a quirky one. Early steam locomotives were thought to be so dangerous that some believed they'd cause cows to stop producing milk due to the noise. These tidbits show just how deeply steam engines shape technology and culture in unexpected ways. The steam engine was the spark that ignited the Industrial Revolution, transforming economies, societies, and the very fabric of human life. From its humble beginnings in mines to its role in powering factories, railways, and ships, it redefined what was possible. Its cultural impact lingers in our cities, our literature, and our understanding of progress. While steam engines have largely been replaced by electricity and internal combustion, their legacy lives on in the industrialized world we inhabit. This machine didn't just move pistons, it moved humanity forward, for better or worse. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the steam engine, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves history or technology. Subscribe to Objectified for more stories about the objects that shaped our world, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Let us know in the comments, what other inventions do you want us to explore? Thanks for joining us on Objectified, where the past comes alive through the objects that defined it. Until next time, keep exploring the stories behind the things we take for granted. See you in the next video.